Hello everyone, welcome to 2022. It's a new year and a new you, so we're gonna do some Mocha nut energy bites, trying to be healthy. So here we go. What do we got, Steph?
We have a cup of old-fashioned oats.
Okay, I'm gonna put a cup of these in a large bowl. Okay.
And then a teaspoon of espresso powder.
Ooh. So I bought instant espresso coffee. That was the only thing I could find at Giant. So teaspoon of that.
And then a pinch of salt.
Okay. Here goes my pinch.
And 2 tablespoons of peanut butter.
Okay. Oh. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So hopefully everyone's off to a good, healthy start of the new year. Kind of hard with COVID running rampant, but hopefully this will help keep everyone healthy and energized for the new year and all the fun that we're gonna have once this pandemic is over. Okay?
1/4 cup of maple syrup.
Ooh, now you're talking. Are you sure it doesn't say half?
Well, I mean, you can kind of use your best.
No, we don't know.
Exactly.
Okay, that was a quarter.
1/4 cup of flaxseed or whatever seed you may have.
Okay, so I have shelled hemp seeds. I don't have flax seeds at home. What was that? 1/4 cup?
Yep.
So a seed's a seed, a seed. Okay, that's all healthy.
2 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
Okay.
Okay, then a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And
Okay.
finally, 2 tablespoons of butter. Now it says almond butter, but you can probably use any butter.
Oh, I have almond butter. Ooh. Almond butter, 2 tablespoons.
Yep.
Okay, well the good news is I get to use my same peanut buttery.
Butter.
Oh man. Ugh. What are we doing with this? Mixing it?
Yep, mixing it till it all comes together.
Okay. And then we're gonna let this sit in the fridge, right?
Yep, for 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay. We'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's set for 30 minutes and now I've got little balls that I have set on some parchment paper. So I don't know if you can see that. This is gonna go back in the fridge, I guess, for a couple hours, and then they'll be set and ready to eat. So they look good. Enjoy.